this video, we'll explain to you how the subtotal function works. In the last video, we showed you how to create subtotals from the outline part of your ribbon. Now, the subtotal function will be useful to you if you're going to filter your data or hide rows. So let's show you how this works. So if you type in subtotal and left paren, you get all these options. So these are the calculations: average, sum, product, min-max, standard deviation. 1 through 9 means basically you'll include the values of rows that are hidden. If you hide rows, they'll be included in the total. But if you use numbers over 100 for the constants, like 109 we'll use for sum, then basically rows that are hidden will be ignored in the calculation, and this can be useful. Okay, so basically, here's the formulas we have. We'll type them in again. So in other words, for our data set here, this is going to total units, and basically hidden rows will be included. Okay, so maybe we'll go up here and we'll do subtotals, subtotal. We'll use 9 for sum, and then we'll do the units. And it'll look the same for a minute, but we'll do 109. Now we'll hide some rows. I put on my quick access toolbar what you use to hide rows. So let's hide rows 5 and 6. Now what should that do? Okay, so basically where we use the 109, it should reduce the total by 95. So let's see if that happens. So up here I've got hide rows. And you can see the total went down by 95. Now if I unhide the rows, Control Z, it goes back to where it was. Now what about with filters? Okay, so here it's not going to make much difference unless you filter and hide, which I don't think many people are going to do. But basically, if I would filter, so I select this range and go data filter. So go data filter. Okay, so now it's going to be the same in both cases here. But if I just pick, let's say, the south, it gives me all the rows with the south. Okay, we get 204. What is that? 120, 138, 204. And if I would filter on the product, let's say I just do eyeliner. Okay, then it should be 93. So the subtotals update basically on what you filtered. And so that gives you an advantage over the ordinary functions in Excel.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.